Hi bakers, good to see you. The end of the year is coming closer, which means it's time to start thinking about holiday recipes. Today we are going to bake a Christmas bread filled with raisins, nuts, cranberries, candied fruits and almond paste. Bake this delicious bread for a Christmas breakfast or brunch, and it will definitely impress your friends and family. What is your favorite holiday recipe? Please let me know so I can give it a try. Before we start mixing the dough, we have to soak the raisins, cranberries and nuts into hot water. This way they don't get burned while baking. I like to do this the day before because it's important to let everything dry again before using it. Leave them for around 15 minutes and then discard the water. When your filling is dry enough, it's time to start mixing the dough. Then put the following ingredients into a bowl and mix slowly until a dough has formed. So when your dough looks like this, it's time to start mixing fast for around 4 minutes. Then stop mixing and add your butter to the dough. Mix slowly again for 1 minute and then mix fast for another minute. It might look a little messy at the start, but it should recover. Make sure that all of the butter has disappeared. Your dough should become soft and extensible. This is very important, otherwise you will get problems mixing your filling into the dough. The dough is now ready for the filling. Now mix slowly again until everything is well divided into the dough. I know this seems like a lot of work, but it's all worth it and it will give you an amazing richly filled Christmas bread. Take a bowl like mine and grease it with some oil. Then take your dough, shape it round, cover it and let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, uncover your dough and deflate it. Now shape your dough round again and let it rest for 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, we have the time to prepare the almond paste. When the 15 minutes have passed, it's time to turn our dough into a Christmas bread. Now flatten your dough the way I do, but leave some gas in the edges. This will give a nice look to your bread. Sprinkle some candied fruit around your almond paste. I'm using orange flavor, but you can use whatever you like. Cover your bread and let it rest for 1 hour. Use some melted butter to brush your bread after baking. Let it cool down and finish it with powdered sugar. Thank you for watching. Try my recipe and please let me know how it turned out. Happy holidays and see you next time.